Hello friend, my name is Azam and you are watching my YouTube channel KGN Tech Support, and today's topic is how to install any operating system with the help of bootable USB drive. In my previous video, you can see that I have created a bootable USB drive. That is my created USB drive, and today I will install a Windows operating system with the help of this pen drive. So let's start the video. Today I will show you how to install a operating system through this pen drive. So plug the USB drive to my laptop. It is connected. Now restart your laptop and go to the setup option. Restart it. All control and L and go to the boot menu. F12. Press the F12 button so that go to the boot menu and select the pen drive. You see that USB storage device. Click on that. Now you can see that my Windows is installing. Windows is loading file with the help of bootable drive. It is very useful for us because with the help of bootable drive we can very easily install it and it will take little bit time. So I think it is the best to installation because sometime our laptop drive is not working and external drive is not working. That is the problem. So it is very easy method. Now it are the next install. Click on install. Installation process is started. It asks the license agreement. Click on accept and next. You can choose upgrade and custom, so that I will select custom and click on your partition. Click on next. Yes, it will started the file installing it. Is 0% completed. With the help of bootable drive you can install any operating system like Windows operating system, Linux operating system, Ubuntu operating system, Mac operating system. So it is very easy method. So same process we can do it. And my previous video, as you know that I have created a bootable drive. That is my bootable drive which is created in my previous video. So it will take time, so wait for installation. It will, you see that it is a 9%, because with the help of bootable drive, if uh, if you create a very easily, then there is no problem. Because sometimes some CDs and DVD are scratched, so that some files are skipped, but through that USB drive you can easily format it and easily install it. So you can wait and watch. You see that it is a 34% completed. It is a 80% completed. It is very fast because through pen drive installation is very fast. So I recommend it to you. Always you can do with the pen drive, because if you are a system admin or system engineer, so you can a lot of work. So with the help of that utility you can easily install any operating system and very quick time. Now you can see that It's 99% completed. Now one time system is restarted. Now you can see that Windows need to restart and continue. So you can click on restart, and otherwise it will automatically restart the system. After restarting window, again starting the window, you can see that system setup is starting services. You can see that it is completing installation. It will take little bit time, so wait for that. Now my next video I will show you how to install any device driver and any software in my next video. You can wait until installation is completed. After completing it, ask the restart, and you can restart it, and you can give the user a name and password. It will take 20 to 30 minutes for completed, so you can wait and watch. Basically installation having more time because it depend upon your RAM and system system processor. So you see that my laptop is a core i3 and a 4 GB RAM, so it will take only 30 minutes. If you having a i5 processor and 8 GB RAM, so it will take approximately 10 to 15 minutes of installation. So it's depend upon your system speed also, so that you can quickly installation is completed. Now you can see that it is restarting. It will little bit time. Now you can see that my laptop is ready to use. Now give the username, like my name is Azam, so I have given the name Azam. Click on next. Without password I have. Next. Recommended setting, ask me later. Click on ask me. Select the zone time. Go to the below and select Chennai, Kolkata, Mumbai. Click on that. Select the date and time and click on next. So my system is ready to preparing desktop. I hope you enjoy my video, and with the help of that video you can easily install any operating system in your home and office. So thank you for watching KGN and tech support. After that I will show you how to install any device driver with the help of some tools. So you can watch my channel. You see that. Now after installing, you can install, first of all you can install local area connection and Wi-Fi, so that you can connect it with internet. After connecting the internet, you click on that, go to the my computer property, and give the activation code. If you purchase the Windows operating system, like I have purchased it, I have given, click on that and give the key and next, so that your Windows is activated. So it is my video. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Please subscribe my channel so that you can check my next video. Thank you.